Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make Felicity edit on TikTok. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Seeing a few interesting TikTok video effects. One that is popular is the velocity effect, which is simply the combination of speeding up and slowing down effect. Want to do the last video Felicity trend on TikTok showing your dancing, skateboarding, workout routine, and more. In fact, making Felicity on TikTok is not that easy as it doesn't offer a direct option to make the speed run. But in this video, I will show you how to do it. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now we can just start record video. Tap on the plus icon in here. Now, for example, go to record video, just make a simple video like this. Okay. And we will try to edit this as a velocity. Now, it's over. Before you tap on next, you can edit it first. On the side of your screen, there is an option edit. You can just tap on that. You can tap on magic and you'll find there is an option velocity in here. So you can just choose on that effect. So the video will be turns out like this. You can wait. It's still playing. So here's the result. Here's the velocity edit on your TikTok. It's a cool, right? So you don't need to use any other application to edit this video with velocity edit. You can just edit it on your TikTok. It's a simple, right? So that is how to make velocity edit on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.